Hello everyone, I am Nitin Rajput. In today's video, we will look how to deploy an OAI 5G core using Helm charts. So for that, I have created one repo which will help you in deploying the OAI 5G core with using Helm charts. So for that, there were some prerequisites which you can see here. First, you have Kubernetes cluster having RBAC. Then you have Multus CNI deployed on it or pods running on it. Third, you should have Helm spray plugin installed on it. So let's just quickly move to our terminal and let me show you I have completed this prerequisites. So as you can see, Kubernetes cluster is running and there is Multus pod also running here, and for Helm spray we have to look in the plugin. So you can see spray plugin is already there. So now we can move to the further part, and the next step is to clone the OAI 5G repo. Let's just quickly clone it. Now our repo is cloned successfully. Now we can move inside our repo. Now let's move to our next steps. This will switch the branch towards the master branch. Now what will be our next step? Now we need to run this script. It will take some times. Now the script has run successfully. Now our next step is to configure the hand charts, or you can say value.yaml file. So for that we need to move toward this directory. We already inside the OAI scene 5G fed, so we have to update the values.yaml file. So let's just quickly do that. So here we need to find host, I guess host interface. So here at line number 69 you need to update with your interface name. In my case my interface name is 80, and so you can update this value according to your interface. So what will be our next step? Our next step is to update the database. So for that we need to move slightly down right here, and we need to insert the values. Let me just copy this and paste it here. Then now we can save and exit. Now what will be our next step? Now we need to update the Helm dependencies. So for that we need to move towards this directory and run this command of Helm. This part is done. Now we need to run this command to make our 5G core run. And it will create all the core components like for database MySQL, AMF, SMF, SPGW, which is basically a UPF in this case, and on all the other core components in default namespace, which you can see here. It will create all the component in the default namespace. so it will take some time. After this completion, we will look into our pods whether they are all running or not. Now the script has run successfully. Now we can look into our pods whether they are running or not. So as you can see, all the 5G core components are running, like UDM, UDR, SPG, WTN is basically a UPF here, SMF, NRF, AMF, and for database MySQL is here. So this is the brief demo how to deploy a OAI 5G core using Helm charts. And for all the prerequisite like Multus CNI, you can look into my repo. I have created one repo for Multus where you can look and install the Multus CNI, and for the Helm spray you can look into this. This has given the overview how to install the plugin for the Helm spray. And for the Kubernetes cluster you can look for the kind cluster. As in this demo I have used kind, you can use Rancher or any another Kubernetes cluster. So thank you for watching this video.